Welcome to the future of productivity, where we study and train to be productive with AI. Unlock the future of productivity with AI. Artificial intelligence is not just changing how we work, it's revolutionizing it. In this video, we'll explore 5 cutting-edge AI tools that are set to reshape productivity in 2025, from managing your tasks and time to creating stunning visuals. These tools can save you hours while boosting efficiency. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative, these tools will help you unlock your full potential. Let's get started.
Tool 1. Elephas. Our first tool is Elephas, an AI productivity app that's perfect for anyone who values offline functionality. Imagine being on a long flight or in a remote location without internet. Elephas allows you to draft emails, summarize lengthy articles, or brainstorm ideas completely offline. This is especially useful for writers, students, or executives who need to work on the go. What sets Elephas apart is its seamless integration with popular tools like Apple Notes and Google Docs. For example, you can use Elephas to summarize your meeting notes and create a concise report instantly. It even personalizes text based on your writing style, making it incredibly versatile. Special feature: offline functionality for uninterrupted productivity. Tool 2. NotionAI. Next on our list is NotionAI, a powerhouse for team collaboration and individual productivity. NotionAI seamlessly integrates with your workspace, allowing you to manage projects, brainstorm ideas. Let's say you're planning a team project. You can simply describe your goals, and NotionAI will create a structured plan with tasks, deadlines, and priorities. It also excels at summarizing lengthy meeting notes into actionable insights, saving you valuable time. What makes NotionAI special is its ability to adapt to your workflow. Whether you're working solo or leading a team, it keeps everything organized and accessible, so you can focus on what matters most. Special feature: effortless integration of AI into collaborative workflows. Tool 3. Motion. Motion is a tool designed to bring order to chaos. If you're someone with a packed schedule, Motion's AI scheduler will be your new best friend. Instead of manually planning your day, you can input your tasks, meetings, and deadlines, and Motion will create a personalized, optimized schedule in seconds. For example, if a meeting is canceled or rescheduled, Motion automatically adjusts your tasks to fill the gap, ensuring no time is wasted. It even syncs with Google Calendar, making integration effortless. One of its standout features is the ability to plan multiple days in advance, helping you stay ahead of deadlines. Motion is more than just a scheduler, it's your productivity partner. Special feature: dynamic task prioritization and rescheduling. Reclaim AI takes time management to the next level by automating your calendar. Unlike other schedulers, Reclaim doesn't just organize your work, it ensures that you make time for personal priorities as well. For example, if you want to schedule daily workouts, Reclaim AI will automatically block time for them without overlapping your meetings or deadlines. And if a last-minute event pops up, it dynamically adjusts your schedule to accommodate the change. The color-coded interface makes it easy to see where your time is going, whether it's work, family, or self-care. Reclaim AI is perfect for anyone looking to maintain balance while maximizing productivity. Special feature: intelligent time blocking for both work and personal goals. Tool 5. UPath Clipboard AI. The final tool on our list is UPath Clipboard AI, a smart assistant designed to transform how you copy and paste. Whether it's text, images, or even handwritten notes, Clipboard AI can extract and process the data instantly. It helps you organize, analyze, and share your copied content effortlessly. What sets UPath Clipboard AI apart is its ability to handle complex clipboard. Tasks like converting handwritten text into editable formats or extracting data from pictures. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with UPath's automation platform, allowing you to automate workflows directly from your clipboard. Features special handwriting recognition and workflow automation.
These 5 AI tools are revolutionizing productivity in 2025. From managing your time and tasks to creating stunning visuals, they're designed to help you work smarter, not harder. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on leveraging AI to transform your work and life. See you in the next video. Let's continue learning and growing together.